This is a Qigong healing sound for the kidney. The sound is chewy, or you can also say tree. It sounds like this. Chewy. Let's begin from the resting position. Hands on low dantian, settle the weight down towards your feet. Begin. Inhale. Back of the hands on the kidney. Massage 3 times as you exhale. Inhale, bring the back of the hands up. Exhale out. Chewy. Sink down. Inhale back to the resting position. I'll repeat. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. Chewy. Inhale back to the resting position. You can repeat the sound a total of 6 times with this resting position in between.